Hello friends. Welcome to Navitasefficens. In previous video, we have seen the process of making shade using M.S.Material and PUF insulation panels. In this video, we will be seeing the next part of it. Solar PV rooftop installation on shade structure by Navitasefficens. Navitasefficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. Let us watch 5 kilowatt solar PV rooftop installation for a bungalow and rearrangement of solar water heater. Watch this full video to check it out. How to stay up to date with our latest project videos, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and share the videos. Let us watch our 3D digital model. Solar panels are placed on the roof using suitable panel mounting structure. Shifted solar water heater and raise the height of the water tank. Let us go in detail with actual process. The roof before installing the solar panels. The roof after installing 16 solar panels. Actual installation. 3D digital model. Let us watch other solar system elements. Grid-tied inverter and AC/DC distribution boxes. A ladder and M.S.Material to access the roof to maintain and clean solar panels safely. Space for maintenance and cleaning of solar panels. Shifted solar water heater and raise the height of the water tank. Solar panel installation was done following the digital model to achieve maximum accuracy. We will be happy to serve you to complete your dream project in such professional way. Thank you for watching.